Good afternoon, Robert Scribbler filming for the OBX Wave Report on this Sunday, September the 17th at 1:01 p.m. as the Eastern Surfing Championship gets underway with some 2 to 3 foot choppy waves here, southerly winds, much different character to the waves than recently we had multiple days of 4 to 8, 4 to 7 foot waves with larger waves on the outside due to Hurricane Lee. And the Hurricane Lee swell right now dying down as some southwesterly winds blow in and confuse the swell. And for the next few days we do expect waves in the range of 2 to 3 feet. But nonetheless, we have another tropical system, tropical storm Nigel, strengthening in the central tropical Atlantic, and this system is expected to bring us larger waves by mid to late week. All right, so let's get down to the wave observations across the Outer Banks and the Mid-Atlantic today. Right now at Nags Head, waves in the range of 2 to 3 foot, semi-clean conditions right now with an east swell at 2.5 feet and 11 seconds, south-southwest winds at 12 miles per hour, air temperatures 75 degrees, ocean water temperatures 77 degrees. And then to our north at Virginia Beach, 2 foot waves, semi-choppy conditions. And then further to the south in Rodanthe, 2 to 4 foot waves, semi-choppy conditions, east-northeast swell at 3.2 feet and 11 seconds, south-southwest winds at 15 miles per hour. Going to start chopping up those waves as well. Air temperature 74 degrees, ocean water temperatures 76. Further down south at Buxton, 3 to 4 foot waves with a light side shore texture, east swell at 3.6 foot and 11 seconds, southerly winds at 12 miles per hour, air temperature 73 degrees, ocean water temperatures 79. And last of all at Frisco, 2 to 3 foot waves and fair conditions as we watch a surfer pull off some nice cutbacks here in the 2 to 3 surf at Jeanette's Pier. Okay, now getting down to the information provided by the National Hurricane Center, giving us an idea what the waves are going to be like over the next week. Right now we have extratropical cyclone Lee between Nova Scotia and Newfoundland with maximum sustained winds of 45 miles per hour. Lee is going to soon be out of the picture for waves, but we do have the remnant swell from Lee here in the Outer Banks today. We also have Tropical Storm Margot west of the Azores, which is a 40 mile per hour tropical cyclone weakening and may dissipate by the end of today. Did talk a little bit about Nigel. Now Nigel is going to be in the picture for at least the next week. Nigel right now a 50 mile per hour tropical storm strengthening in the central tropical Atlantic, projected to become a major hurricane by the National Hurricane Center over the next few days. The projected path of Nigel is expected to bring it to the east of Bermuda, and as it moves to the north, it will propagate waves toward the U.S. East Coast. In comparison with Lee, though, Nigel is expected to have a lower impact with somewhat smaller waves. Nonetheless, we can expect 4 to 7 foot waves by the end of this week. Last of all, we do have a tropical disturbance heading off the coast of Africa. This tropical wave has a 40% chance of developing into a tropical cyclone over the next 7 days. So the North Atlantic remaining very stormy, and we can expect some nice waves, some nice surf to be produced by these various storms for the Outer Banks over the coming days. Thank you for joining me for this in-depth session of the OBX Wave Report as we watch some surfers tear it up for the Eastern's surfing competition. Hope you guys do get in the water today and hope you guys enjoy this. This is Robert Scribbler signing off.